So to upgrade the control board, we need a jig. This jig comes with two plugs, one red and white. So the reason why it comes with two plugs because uh, the board has two kind of plug place to upgrade the board. So we will check. How we gonna check? So when you see the white plug has T and X, T and X, and also in the red side as V and CC. So in this kind of situation, we will see this area right there. You will see the plug has in the first middle two number is T and X. Sorry, T and X. So the white one is the right plug to upgrade the control board. We're gonna plug this one to the control board, and then we're gonna turn it on. I'm gonna close it, bring it closer. And we're gonna press this button one time. And we're gonna wait a couple seconds. We're gonna press one more time. It's still searching for the right model. There you go. You find the compressor. It says C. Replace the compressor. We're gonna hold it for 3 seconds. Yes. It says replace the compressor. Yes. We're gonna replace it. One more time. Now trying to upgrade the control board. So as you see, it says upgrade completed. Check it. So upgrade completed 100%. So it means the board is upgraded 100%. Now we can replace the compressor.